So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 14.5 update after iPhone overheating issue, so or not. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad user report to iOS 14.5 update after iPhone overheating issue. So this iPhone overheating issue show on iPhone 7, 7 Plus and also another model. So guys, in this video I will try little bit fix overheating issue on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, make sure some follow tips and tricks about that, so easy to solve your problems. So guys, first step is you could have update your iPhone to unstable version of iOS 14.5. The second step is if your iPhone exposed direct sunlight for a while then overheated. Third one is iOS 14.5 update that could be some firmware related changes and causes deadlock. The last step is too many apps or background processes could be run on your devices. Guys, in this video I will show you some solutions for that issue and easy to little bit overheating issues fix in your iPhone as well as iPad. First one solution is most important. The solution is place iPhone indoor and also remove the case in your iPhone as well as iPad. Guys, when your iPhone outdoor, that time iPhone overheating issue so, but still iPhone place in indoor and also remove the case in your iPhone as well as iPad and little bit overheating issue fix in your iPhone as well as iPad sometimes. iPhone users reported to iOS 14.5 update after iPhone overheating issue so on my also iPhone 7, but still that issue on iPhone 12 series, 11 series, X series, 8 series and also 7 series. So guys, how to fix this issue? The second solution is most important. The solution is turn off background app refresh in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings app in your iPhone as well as iPad. Then you can see also scroll down and tap on the general. In general scroll down and select the background app refreshes. If you turn on, so guys please turn off background app refreshes and easy to fix your problems. The third one solution is most important. The solution is close the background apps in your iPhone as well as iPad. When you use the many apps in your iPhone but still sometimes not close background app in iPhone as well as iPad, that time overheating issue so guys, simply open the any apps, then you can see also double tap on the home buttons and easy to close the all apps in your iPhone as well as iPad and easy to fix your problems. The fourth solution is most important. The solution is restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. So guys, first of all open the settings app in your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also last option is shutdown option. So guys, please select it. Then you can see also slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. The fifth solution is most important. The solution is update to latest iOS versions in iPhone as well as iPad, but still sometimes unstable iOS 14.5 that time so overheating issue. So guys, first of all open the control center and Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Then open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also second option is software update. If you any new software iOS versions available, so guys please download and install in iPhone and iPad and easy to overheating issue fix in iPhone. Now solution 6 is most important. The solution is turn off the location services in iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the step. First of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the privacy. In privacy you can see also first option is location services. If you turn on location services in your iPhone, so guys please sometimes location services off in iPhone and iPad. The solution 7 is most important. The solution is disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and also mobile data and turn on the aeroplane mode. So guys, first of all open the control center, then you can see also if you turn on all things, so guys please turn off and also turn on the aeroplane mode in your iPhone as well as iPad sometimes. So guys, easy to overheating issue fix in within 10 minutes. Now I will show you last solution for that issue. So guys, the solution is reset all settings. So guys, please follow the steps. First of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also second last option is reset all settings. So guys, please tap on that, then enter your passcode, then again tap on the reset all settings in iPhone and iPad and easy to overheating issue fix in your iPhone. I hope these solutions to little bit overheating issue fix in your iPhone and iPad Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share if you iOS 14.5 update after any problem so in your iPhone. So guys, please comment on this video comment section. I will try fix that issue. Thank you so much.